Hey there, dropshippers. This is Sam from ZQ Dropshipping, and today we need to talk about something really important that's going on to affect all of us in the e-commerce world. The new US tariff policies that just went into effect on April 2nd, 2025. Let's break down what's happening and how it affects your dropshipping business. First, let me explain the difference between traditional importing and dropshipping when it comes to custom clearance. Traditional bulk importing uses what is called T01 custom clearance. This is what big retailers use when they bring in large quantity of products from China. Under T01, different products have different tariff rates applied to their cost price. On the other hand, dropshipping has been using T86 custom clearance, which has been a large advantage for us till May 2nd, 2025. Packages value under $800 have been exempt from tariffs under the system. This has been perfect for e-commerce shipments. Now, let's talk about how tariffs actually work. Tariffs are calculated as a percentage of the declared value, which is the cost price of your product, not your selling price. For example, if you import sleepers from China that cost $3 per pair, and the tariff rate is 10%, you'd pay 30 cents per pair in tariffs. Different product categories have different tariff rates, with some anti-dumping products facing extremely high tariff rates. Here's what's changing with the new US tariff policy. Using our sleeper example again. Previously, we paid 10%, about 30 cents per pair. Under the new policy, if you are importing in bulk under T01 declaring, the tariff jumps to 54%. That's $1.62 per pair. Your total cost per pair would increase from $3 to $4.62. The importer who pays these tariffs. If you are a US company, you will pay this tariff directly to the US government during custom clearance. If you are not a US company, your logistic provider will pay the tariff at the importer of the record and include this cost in your shipping fee. The bubble whammy for dropshipper. Here's the crucial part. While dropshipping has been protected by T86 clearance, the US is canceling T86 policy starting May 2nd. This means e-commerce packages will no longer be exempt and will need to be accustomed through T01 or T11 channels. So even though dropshipping wasn't directly targeted by the tariff increases, the elimination of T86 means all e-commerce packages will now be subject to these high tariffs. Will US warehousing solve this problem? Unfortunately, no. Even if you stock products in the US, these products still need to be imported first, facing the same 54% tariff. US housing improves shipping speed, but does not avoid the tariff issue. So what solution is ZQ Dropshipping exploring? First, we're looking at shipping through VLAN. Since VLAN hasn't lost T86 clearance privileges, this could be a viable alternative. However, it all comes down to cost analysis. If shipping from VLAN as $10 per package, while shipping from China with tariff only at $5, China might still be the better option. Second, we are expanding our South Korea dropshipping options. Korea has mainly excellent beauty products, and we've already established a fulfillment center there. Since Korea also maintains T86 privileges, this is another good alternative. Finally, we are partnering with assembly factory in the US. By importing components, which often have lower 10% tariff rates, and assembling products in America, we can avoid high tariffs while adding value to the product that can be labeled made in US. We are closely monitoring this development and working hard to find the most cost-effective solution for our dropshipper partners. Stay tuned for more updates as we navigate these changes together. If you have any questions about how these changes might affect your specific business, please reach out to ZQ Dropshipping Account Manager. We are here to help your success despite these challenges. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in next video.